Deuteronomy Chapter 23. No one whose testicles are crushed, or whose male organ is cut off, shall enter the assembly of YHWH. No one born of a forbidden union may enter the assembly of YHWH. Even to the 10th generation, none of his descendants may enter the assembly of YHWH. No Ammonite or Moabite may enter the assembly of YHWH. Even to the 10th generation, none of them may enter the assembly of YHWH forever, because they did not meet you with bread and with water on the way, when you came out of Mitsrayim, and because they hired against you Bil'am the son of Beor from Pethor of Mesopotamia to curse you. But YHWH your Elohim would not listen to Bil'am. Instead, YHWH your Elohim turned the curse into a blessing for you, because YHWH your Elohim loved you. You shall not seek their peace or their prosperity all your days forever. You shall not abhor an Edomite, for he is your brother. You shall not abhor a Mitsrayim, because you are a sojourner in his land. Children born to them in the 3rd generation may enter the assembly of YHWH. When you are encamped against your enemies, then you shall keep yourself from every evil thing. If any man among you becomes unclean because of a nocturnal emission, then he shall go outside the camp. He shall not come inside the camp, but when evening comes, he shall bathe himself in water, and as the sun sets, he may come inside the camp. You shall have a place outside the camp, and you shall go out to it. And you shall have a trowel with your tools, and when you sit down outside, you shall dig a hole with it, and turn back and cover up your excrement. Because YHWH your Elohim walks in the midst of your camp, to deliver you and to give up your enemies before you, therefore your camp must be Kodesh, so that he may not see anything indecent among you, and turn away from you. You shall not give up to his master a slave who has escaped from his master to you. He shall dwell with you in your midst, in the place that he shall choose within one of your towns, wherever it suits him. You shall not wrong him. None of the daughters of Yisrael shall be a cult prostitute, and none of the sons of Yisrael shall be a cult prostitute. You shall not bring the fee of a prostitute or the wages of a dog into the house of YHWH your Elohim in payment for any vow, for both of these are an abomination to YHWH your Elohim. You shall not charge interest on loans to your brother, interest on money, interest on food, interest on anything that is lent for interest. You may charge a foreigner interest, but you may not charge your brother interest, that YHWH your Elohim may bless you in all that you undertake in the land that you are entering to take possession of it. If you make a vow to YHWH your Elohim, you shall not delay fulfilling it, for YHWH your Elohim will surely require it of you, and you will be guilty of sin. But if you refrain from vowing, you will not be guilty of sin. You should be careful to do what is past your lips, for you have voluntarily vowed to YHWH your Elohim what you have promised with your mouth. If you go into your neighbor's vineyard, you may eat your fill of grapes, as many as you wish, but you shall not put any in your bag. If you go into your neighbor's standing grain, you may pluck the ears with your hand, but you shall not put a sickle to your neighbor's standing grain. Amen.